Welcome. This is the presentation of Altitude Adventure Park. It's an original and exciting new idea of theme park that will be based on high altitude attractions. The park will be situated in Guadalhorce Valley. It's in the north of Malaga and near to the international airport and in the heart of the Costa del Sol. The park will offer adults and children attractions in a big extension of land in a natural environment place. For example, I'll show you. Will be possible rides in a controlled balloons for families or for couples, and an original attraction will be a swing in hanging chairs in a merry-go-round with different heights. And another exciting attraction will be a cross suspension bridge with magnificent views of the Bay of Malaga. And another attraction will be exciting. Goes by a pine mountain, across the mountain with 1.5 kilometers too long. And the start of the park that is ready goes by a double zip line to feel the adrenaline like never before. And the park will offer 5 big wheels and restaurants, bars, and to see all the park will be possible. Goes by small jeeps, and it will be soon inaugurated in 2 months. And if you want to feel the adrenaline and to have an unforgettable experience, remember Altitude Adventure Park. Thank you for your attention.